everybody.
Hey, if it sounds like I'm yelling, it's because there's a loud AC unit next to me.
I'm not an AC unit.
Will you stop?
It's over there.
Oh my god. Okay, so we're doing a quick recap.
Today's Friday, August 19th.
Yes. And we are at Maria, what's her last name?
Maria McCabe's really old house. She offers bunks to hikers, and she's been doing this for over 50 years.
Yeah.
This lady
so
is
cool.
what? How old is she?
She's 93.
93 years old.
Yes, 93. Yeah, her room, it's super cute. This is like this really cool old house. We're in Salisbury, Connecticut.
We made it to Connecticut today again, I think.
Oh yeah, we did yesterday, and then I think it like went back into Massachusetts, and then we're back in Connecticut. So
it kind of went like this, in and out. We were in and out of Massachusetts and Connecticut this morning for half a mile, probably, just weaved in and out of the line.
Yeah, that's cool. We climbed a couple of mountains.
We climbed the tallest mountain in Connecticut on the Appalachian Trail.
Yeah.
What was the name of it? Bear Mountain.
Yeah, it's Bear Mountain.
It's like 2,300 feet, I think.
I don't remember. And then
we'll show you.
Yeah, and then we did Lion's Head, which was shorter, but by the time we got there, we were just so worked. It was really hot today.
It got up in the mid 80s again. I think 88 today,
which up here is really hot.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So we just had our lunch, or like a late lunch. We didn't really eat much this morning, so we were dragging in here. Yeah, we're all fed and watered, and now we're in our bed in our cute little old house room.
It's about 4:45, and I am ready to pass out.
Me too.
Ready for bed. You see a lot of our videos, and they're all like flowers and pretty insects and stuff, but this hike is still really hard.
Yeah, it's rough.
We just found out today that another friend that we actually hiked with, he's calling it quits, and that's okay. He's going to be out there supporting his wife. So the heat and the trail is just still knocking people down. But, it's still really hard, but we're just gonna go 5 miles at a time, 6 miles at a time, whatever it takes.
8, 10, maybe, depending on the heat.
Yeah.
All right, well, that's all we got for now.
See y'all next time.
Bye.